Hey guys, and welcome to today's item shop. Now we have quite a few things that just came out, plus other specials that are still here. So for example, we do still have double agent right now available, which is giftable by the way. And we also have the pack as well, which is also giftable. So it's pretty nice to see giftable, just like I saw from before. So right now we still have yellow jacket, yep, plus shadows. Now let's take a look at new stuff, such as this skin right here, which is pretty awesome. And I gotta say, I'm really digging the back bling for it. The harvesting tool is perfect for that skin. And I'm pretty happy to see this skin back right here in the item shop. Of course, its back bling is pretty unique towards the skin. Let's not forget the wrap, which is also pretty awesome. We do also have burnout available at the moment. And this skin's back. And yes guys, this harvesting tool is back in the item shop. And it's pretty funny. Let's not forget about our emotes, such as this one right here. This guy, which is a really neat emote, and Raise the Roof, which is our cheapest emote and a must-have. Last but not least, Captain America is still here. And yes, Beach Bomber is also available with its pretty cool wrap and glider. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.